If you want to delete video effects on CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to remove effects from your timeline so you can clean up your edit fast and get back to building your video the right way. This is really useful if you added the wrong effect, changed your mind, or just want to simplify your project without starting over. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and go to your main editing timeline. This is where all of your clips, audio, text, and effects are arranged. Take a close look at the timeline because effects are usually placed on a separate layer above your main video clip. That means they won't be sitting directly on the video itself like a cut or trim would. Instead, you'll often see them as a colored bar or effect track on a dedicated layer. Now locate the effect you want to remove. If you have multiple effects on your project, make sure you click the exact effect bar that you want to delete. Once you click it, it should become selected, which usually means it's highlighted so you know CapCut has recognized the effect you want to edit. After it's selected, you have two simple ways to remove it. The first method is to press the delete key on your keyboard. This is the fastest option if you just want to clear it out immediately. The second method is to right-click on the effect bar and then choose delete from the menu. Either method works, so you can use whichever feels easier for you. If the effect doesn't disappear right away, just make sure you selected the correct layer and not the video clip underneath it. Sometimes it's easy to click the wrong item on a busy timeline, especially if your project has a lot of edits. So if needed, zoom in a little and try again until the effect bar is clearly selected. Once the effect is deleted, your timeline will be cleaned up and your video will play without that effect applied. If you want to remove more than one effect, just repeat the same process for each one. Select the effect track, press delete or right-click and delete it one by one until your timeline looks the way you want. And that's it. You now know how to delete video effects on CapCut PC in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple CapCut editing tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.